Coach Bill is going to lead us off, followed by questions. And again, when the mic gets to you, just please let us know who you are.
Well, I have the same feeling this year as we did last year. I'm really proud of our team and program for being in the championship game of this tournament in back-to-back years. It's not easy to get here. Today was much different because it meant the NCAA tournament versus no on that, and it's a difficult loss for all of us. First, I want to just say this. The job that Tad Boyle has done at Colorado and what Colorado represents to the future of the Pac-12, I can make the argument that there's been no greater gift to college basketball in the Pac-12 than adding Colorado. They are well coached, play extremely hard, very good on defense. They have talented players now, and I feel like they have some really talented players coming in. And I wish them the very best in the NCAA tournament. Whoever draws them is running into a hungry, well-coached, disciplined team. And I really believe that's the story of today. They beat us. They were a better team. Being down 2 at the half, thought it was a very even game. We have to make free throws when we get there. We knew that if we didn't turn that around, we're playing with danger. And we've really been making free throws. Today we didn't, and we picked the wrong time to miss. I thought that hurt us. But the first 10 minutes of the second half, we had no answer for them. I think we committed almost 7 personal fouls in the first 10 minutes. They got uncharacteristic, easy shots. And I really felt like it was the will of our team, maybe the fact that they were wearing down 4 games in 4 days. But the last 10 minutes of the second half, we had a lot of fight in us. And we had a shot to win the game. It wasn't a good one, but it's amazing that we had that when you consider the hole that we were in. Jesse Perry, he's up here, a senior. Nick is a freshman. They're at 2 different points of their career. I don't know if there's been a 6'7", 215-pound player that played college basketball this season that has given his school, or program, or team any more than Jesse. And I wouldn't trade this guy for anybody. And I know we have at least another game left here, but just as his Pac-12 career's ended in 2 years, he's done a lot of good stuff for us, and he needs to be recognized for that. And Nick, obviously, the future's very bright for him, and this is a great experience to play in this type of game for any young player.